Assalamu alaikum. My name is Sadia Samad and I have been privileged to be part of this esteemed organization for over 2 decades. I remember 2005 when I got married, moved to Lahore, and within 1 week I received a call for an interview from Autosoft Dynamics. While concluding the interview, Sadia Khan asked me, "How soon you can join us?" So I just smiled and said, "Bas haathon ki mehndi utar jane do." From day one, I have received so much warmth, support, and care from not just from my peers but also from our late founder Lutfullah Khan Sahab and our former CEO Sadia Khan. That has made Autosoft Dynamics as a second home for me, a Mecca just in say in Lahore. If I say about that, Autosoft Dynamics is not just for policies, it's for people, it to be correct. Because from Khan Sahab to Sadia Khan and now the new leadership, Mr. Bilal Mahmood and Shehzad Rafiq, I have always feel very much comfortable, relaxed, heard, and very much supported. That's the essence of Autosoft that we are carrying forward. I started my journey with Autosoft Dynamics as an IT coordinator. Never thought of that this journey will transform my entire life. Now serving as a role of leader in leadership and sales and marketing, I am truly honored to represent Autosoft Dynamics, not just locally but in international forums as well. Autosoft Dynamics carries a culture of care, inclusion, and ambition. We are not just working 9 to 5. We are working full of ambition and full of enthusiasm that has forecast through our meeting deadlines and working round the clock and then delivering our promises. Autosoft Dynamics is a testament for the women empowerment. That's the main thing that I would like to highlight over here. The respect, the flexibility, and the opportunities to grow is equal opportunity for a woman to work with. We have so many females working with us, not just in a technical environment, but also in a leadership role. And if I say we are not just ticking the boxes, we are actually breaking the barriers. Speaking of the challenges and the success, I would also like to highlight that I have been very much fortunate to be part of one of the major strategy transformation, that is the acquisition of Autosoft Dynamics for Constellation Software, the largest Canadian group, and the acquisition has been taking place through Control Software in Pakistan. This transformation has taken forward not just operational efficiencies, but also the global outreach and also more focus on the customer or on employees as well. Not just that, this impact is evident on our customer relationship management, stronger support services, and a stronger brand image that has taken forward. Autosoft Dynamics has always been in the methodology of providing state-of-the-art services and products to the customers. We believe a longer and stronger relationship with our customers, not just providing their solutions, but providing the services and catering to the care of their pain areas. We are investing a lot in our R&D as well to give them solutions that they are emerging needs of the customer as well. Speaking of the products and services that we are providing end-to-end products and services starting from Islamic banking, conventional banking, core banking solution, digital banking solutions, end-to-end lending platforms, and taking the legacy forward for our fastest implementation within very limited time frames. As I look back to 20 years, I feel immense gratitude. I have witnessed so many oops and so many wows, tears on losses and cheers on victories. Today we are celebrating our 25 years of success and prosperity, and there is a lot more to come with lots of success with the current leadership, strong dedicated team. Here's to the next 50 years of Autosoft Dynamics, always onwards and upwards.